his first steps by himself. Good boy. Going back home. We went this morning. What did we do, Ashley? We pampered ourselves. We went to salon. Let me see your nails. Let me see your nails. Oh, so pretty. I love them. Cat eye, you call them, right? Let me see why. Because they change color, right? Oh, yes, I see them. And you got your toes done. And look at mine, everybody. I got mine done too. I feel so pampered. They massaged my hand. Nós fizemos as unhas. E até fiz os meus toes também. And I love this color. Actually, I think I'm gonna have to end up buying this color for me as well because it's freezing cold. Freezing. Listen, everybody, you guys know how I don't like the cold, and I'm in the middle of the winter. Went to do a pedicure. That's not a bad thing, but guess how I'm going home? Look at this. In flip-flops or slippers in the middle of the winter, people, my toes are frozen, like absolutely frozen. I don't know what possessed me to do this. I know what possessed me to do this. Right here. This one. Yeah. As unhas da Ashley. Preto, but then they change to the gold. They really look nice, Ashley. I love it. Estamos a caminho de casa e como eu disse há pouco, tá frio aqui e eu tô aqui de chinelos, pessoal. E a culpa é dessa menina aqui, olha. Essa menina aqui que me fez sair assim. Hello. Hello. Goodbye. We're looking for chorus because we're going to breakfast
It's around
with
here
Anna
somewhere.
and her sister Lucy. Look at, peace out.
Peace out, girls. Oh my
Girls
God.
breakfast.
Queres ver que ainda mais? Ana Rocha to drive and get lost. So I'm number one.
Sunset Grill.
É o Sunset que a gente vai, que ela disse, não
You
é?
can go to Sunset, you can go to Chorus, whichever, but since we're here at Sunset, it's up to you guys.
Queres cor? Onde é que é a Cora? Sabes onde é que é a Cora? É okay now?
You're gonna leave the car on. Oh my goodness, Anna. All right, Sunset Grill it is, girls. Here we go. Sunset Grill for breakfast. Look at all the yummy food, all delicious. We all walked in without glasses, and now we all have glasses on. It's unbelievable.
This is the Eyeglass Club.
The Eyeglass Club. Oh, those look very. You look like a teacher. Very professional.
Really, really good.
Home fries, eggs, bacon, pancakes. I'm gonna enjoy this. We all got the same. All right, bon appetit, ladies.
Thank you.
Cheers, Andrei. Cheers. Woohoo! Feeding Rowen. But you can't have wine. No wine for you. Food. No cutie patootie. Andrei, what are you waiting for? Where are we going?
To East
Side Mario's to meet up with the family. We're all getting ready. Look at Roro and Miss Ashley getting ready. We're almost done to go. Let's go enjoy a great dinner.
Yeah.
Come
There you
back
go.
here.
Walk to Mama. Walk to Mama.
Come here.
Yeah, his first steps by himself. Good boy. Yay! Bravo. Good boy. Clap your hands, baby. Good boy. You did a good job. We're so proud of you. I've arrived and we are here, home of all you can eat, East Side Mario's. That's where we're having dinner and everybody is already inside. So let's go in, everybody. And everybody's here saying their hellos. Hello, 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 hello. Everybody's saying hello, hello, hello. We're going to enjoy our supper. We're still missing a few. All right, let's get seated. So Rowen just got a gift from Sandra, and look what he likes. The teddy bear. Do you like the teddy bear? See, teddy bear? Yes. It's big. It's almost bigger than you are. Look. It's almost bigger than you are. Oh, what a cutie. We've got most of the party here. Brittany, Jacob's girlfriend, there's Jacob. Everybody's here. We're just waiting. Most of us are here. We're just waiting for Dee Dee and Gus. So everybody has arrived. We all got our soups, our salads. The main dish is going to be coming soon. I'm having tomato, and we're enjoying this fabulous time together. And Sandra, my sister, got us all. This is just all gifts. I'll open it once I get home. But thank you for that. All right, enjoy your meal, everybody. Bon appetit. Oh, look at him. You see him? What are you eating there, buddy? You're eating an ice cream? Look at the mess. Oh, what a cutie. Babal's going to have to give you a bath when we go home. And what do you have? What kind of drink is that? Shirley Temple. Virgin Shirley Temple, right? Yes. All right, enjoy, honey. Yay! Good boy. You have a good time. Yay! Yay! You had a good time. Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday. Ashley's back to work. I have to go to Morrisburg, which is just outside of Ottawa, to go visit our younger daughter. And today I'm going to be cooking some soup for her. I'm going to surprise Ashley. So when she comes home, she's got dinner ready. I'm going to do a soup for her, vegetable soup, and I'm going to do a roasted chicken in the oven. And then, of course, I'm going to do some rice as well. So once that's all done, I will show you guys what it looks like. And I'm sure that she's going to be super, super happy to come home and find dinner ready for her. All right. Like I was just saying, I'm going to do the chicken in the oven baked. And I don't know about you guys, but I love chicken baked in the oven. Nothing better. And I've already put all my ingredients in there. Carrots, tomatoes, lemon. And I'm going to add an onion to that cavity as well. And then I'm going to season it with a little bit of black pepper. Salt is already on there. A little bit of paprika. And then that's it. So Ashley is going to be super excited because I know when I used to work, I used to hate coming home to cook after a long day. So, Andrei, while I'm slaving away in the kitchen, what are you doing?
Fabricando telemóvel.
Thank you very much. You're not even helping me or anything, eh? What a nice husband.
You can do it. Eu confio em ti.
Yes, of course tu confia em mim. É muito fácil quando outra pessoa faz a comida, não é? No, I'm just kidding. I don't need your help, honey. I'm going to go ahead and do it myself. Okay. But I'm doing baked chicken. You guys like baked chicken?
Yeah.
And soup.
Yeah. So stop talking and get back to work, please.
All right. Vamos lá, então. Eu já não quero conversar mais comigo. Então, eu achei bom fazer essa surpresa para a Ashley dela. Quando chegar em casa, tem a comida feita. A janta, não é? Ou a ceia. Mas temos aqui um frango, como eu falei. Já coloquei aqui a cebola, mais o que foi, limão, tomato e cenoura, que eu gosto de colocar aí. E depois então eu vou só colocar os temperos e eu vou assar. E depois eu mostro para vocês também a sopa, quando tiver tudo completo, aqui o que eu vou colocar na minha sopa. And let's check on the chicken. Wow, it's looking good. And I decided to do butternut squash as well. Yummy. Rowen is going to love his soup. He's in daycare today, but we're also making soup for him as well, and Ashley, like I said. As promised, here's our soup. I've already put the pasta in there, the chouriço's in there. I've already put a little bit of the olive oil. Sopa pronta. O frango ficou assim. E o butternut squash turned out like this. Like I said, we're going to be going to Morrisburg, and I thought I'd leave all this ready for her. And when she comes home, she doesn't have to worry about cooking. All right, Andrei, so we are on our way to Morrisburg, and it's going to take us 3 hours and 34 minutes, people. So we'll arrive there by, what, 9:30, 10 o'clock in the evening, right?
Hang tight.
Hang tight. Come along with us. I'm actually looking forward to seeing Alexia and Peyton and Owen, our son-in-law. East, Andrei. There you go. Kingston, yeah. We will go ahead and bring you guys along with us. Stay tuned. And we just finished speaking to Sandra and Benjamin, Andrei, no? Yes, that was wonderful. If you guys are watching, I know you guys always watch. We miss you guys, like we said on the phone call.
Continue
Stay
for
safe.
356 kilometers.
And you said there was no traffic, Andrei.
Well, that's Canada.
Did you read that?
What?
Beer sold here. at the gas station. We are making a pit stop to gas up,
PP stop.
to use the restroom, and to get us a coffee maybe. This is in Trenton, which is just east of Toronto. Right on. We are going right there, Morrisburg, and we are an hour and 54 minutes away, Andrei, so halfway.
Halfway.
Halfway. Welcome to Kingston. We have arrived in Kingston, which is almost halfway, right, Andrei?
No, it's past halfway.
Casino, Gananoque, Rockville. Almost there. We've got, how long, Andrei, how long? We've got
40 minutes.
Yeah. Hello, Morrisburg.
Come on.
Andrei, we made it to Morrisburg. There was no snow in Scarborough, but look at here. So -10 in Morrisburg and lots of snow. Not like Scarborough, there was none, and it was -8. But we made it. We're tired, but we made it. What's going on, Andrei? We woke up to this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's snowing. Alexia's got the lake just over there on that end. Let's go look at the front of the house. Olha o cavalo da nossa filha. Look at this. Hi, Dex. Say morning. Morning. Look at the size of him, Andrei. He's almost as tall. I bet you if he stood up on all fours, he'd be taller than you.
Oh, yeah, he is taller.
Most definitely, eh? Hi, Dex. Say good morning.
Cavalo.
Good morning. You gonna go see Papa? You gonna go see your dad because he's shoveling the snow? Olha que giro. Eu não gosto do frio, mas eu gosto da neve. Eu gosto de ver a neve cair. There he goes, our son-in-law, Owen, o nosso gerro, limpando a neve. Muito giro. Eu estava falando da diferença da neve aqui e em Toronto. Hein?
Toronto não tem nada?
Yeah.
There's nothing in Toronto.
I was saying that I love to see the snowfall, and I think it looks so beautiful, magical, but I don't like the cold. I don't like to be out in it. And we have to go to Costco, and I'm not looking forward to that today.
Maybe go later. Vai depois.
Sim, sim. Four-wheeler, that's actually a good idea for when you have a long driveway like that, eh?
When I got that one from Portugal.
Yeah, right. What snow do you have in Portugal?
Not for snow, but for other things.
Yeah. All right. All right. Good morning, everybody. Look at this wonderful snow. The kids are enjoying themselves. Everybody's cleaning out their driveways. Kids are having fun. I'm not having fun. I have to run in the car because it's cold, freezing cold, but what a difference from Toronto. So we are going to Costco. Andrei and Alexia, our youngest baby. I said, I wonder what we're going to walk out with. I always go to Costco, where I used to go to Costco when I was here, and I would give myself a budget, and I always walked out with twice the amount. So it would be interesting to see what we walk out with and what we spend. I've lost Andrei already. Electronics, I bet you. Let's go see if I find him. I figured you'd be here at the electronics, Andrei. Let's go shopping then?
Yeah, let's go.
And stay away from the electronics, please.
Oh,
Não pode gastar mais dinheiro. Não vai gastar mais dinheiro em coisas assim, Andrei. Vamos.
Vamos ver, vamos ver.
How much are you going to spend, Lexi? What is your budget?
I don't have a budget today.
Okay, so
No
let's go.
budget, so let's go spend.
All right, let's go spend. Bye.
Drilling a hole in the ice for ice fishing. That was fast. That was fast.
Yeah.
Oh.
There's one.
Vou fazer outro.
I'll be one right here.
Esse lago aqui tem rainbow trout. É trutas. Uma barraquinha com calor. So my son-in-law taking the tent down for mice fishing. Nice and quiet here, man. Nice and peaceful. The auger. The fishing hose. This one is already frozen. There's a lot of equipment to take it back now. A lot of work for ice fishing.
I know. Worth it. It's always worth it.
When you catch something. Yeah, it's fun. And there we go. That's how you take care of your stuff to your car from the lake, from the frozen lake. The cars are close by.
Good luck.
Ready to go home. And no fish. Maybe next time.